Good morning students. Today we are going to see circulatory system of cockroach. Circulatory system of cockroach. The blood vascular system open type. Cockroaches lymphatic cavity it lies into hemocoel. Blood vessels are poorly developed and open into space hemocoel. Hemocoel is a space filled with hemolymph in organism with open circulatory system. Cockroach it consists of two components, one heart and blood. Heart is considered in cockroach 13 chambered divided into two parts. First one, 3 chambers in the thoracic region and another 10 chamber in the abdomen region. Heart consists of elongated muscular tube lying along mid-dorsal line, thorax and abdomen. Thorax region 3 chamber, abdomen region 10 chamber. Blood white in colored called as hemolymph. Hemolymph consists of two components, one cells and plasma. Cells, hemocytes present of the blood. Plasma consists of food and nitrogenous waste. The blood in cockroach does not have any respiratory gases. It has funnel-shaped chambers with astia on either side. This funnel-shaped is present in astia. Astia, the heart of cockroach, consists of 13 contractile chambers. A pair of apparatus called astia are present at the posterior end of each chamber laterally. Astia are guarded by auricular valves to check the flow of blood from the heart to the pericardial sinus. Blood-filled face, astia. Blood from sinuses enter heart through astia and is pumped anterior to sinus again. Cockroach has two diaphragm. This one, another one. Dorsal diaphragm and ventral diaphragm. Side view of the cockroach system. The cockroach's body is divided into 3 chambers. One chamber, dorsal diaphragm, upper chamber or dorsal sinus or pericardial sinus include heart. Middle sinus is called perivisceral sinus to have all important organs and digestive system present. Third one, ventral diaphragm. Ventral sinus or perineural sinus. Nocord. Cockroaches do not have is well developed brain as such, but some ganglion present. Some ganglion present in the nocord. This aorta, heart, 13 chambered. This dome, astia present, airy muscles. Astia The heart of cockroach consists of 13 contracted chambers, a pair of apparatus called ostia. The present at the posterior end of each chamber laterally. The ostia are guarded by auricular valves to check the flow of the blood from the heart to the pericardial sinus. Pericardial sinus, blood filled space ostia. Next, alary muscles. Alary muscles in cockroach are associated or connected with heart. These muscles are attached to both dorsal and tergum diaphragm. They are triangular in shape, varying in the pointed, the triangular space. The triangular in shape alary muscles, wherein the pointed end is attached to the tergum and the other end is attached to dorsal diaphragm. How did blood is flow of the cockroach body? This head, aorta, heart, alary muscles, ostia. Blood starts from the aorta, it pumped into the head. From head it will travel into the ventral sinus. So it is also called perineural sinus. After travel to the perineural sinus, it passes the ventral diaphragm. The blood enter into the middle sinus or perivisceral sinus. The perivisceral sinus it supply food and collect all the nitrogenous waste, and once the middle sinus is satisfied, the blood is transported to the dorsal sinus. It passes the dorsal diaphragm and enter to the pericardial sinus. What happened? Dorsal side filled with the blood ostia is open. All the blood is enter inside heart of the cockroach. Ostia will close. Again, heart is bumped to the blood, the head, from to the ventral sinus. Recall, blood vascular open type blood vessels poorly. The hemocoel, the blood it is called visceral organs. The hemolymph consists of cells and plasma. Colorless plasma and cells na hemocytes present. Heart consists elongated muscular tube lying along mid-dorsal, thorax and abdomen region. Thorax region, 3 chambers. Abdomen region, 10 chambers. Present in 13 chambers. It is different in funnel to the safe ostia on either side. Thank you, students.